Hi guys, Ashish this side. In this video, I'll show you how you can access ribbon command through keyboard and increase the productivity while doing work in Excel. Let's open up the Excel file. To increase the productivity in Excel file, you need to start accessing the ribbon through keyboard. Let's see how you can do that. Once I click the Alt button, you'll see the option of this shortcut key from which you can access the function. Let's click that. I have pressed Alt key. Let's say you want to go to the file menu. So you can simply click on F. Here you have bunch of options. New, open, IS, print, Z, export. Let's say you want to export this into a PDF file, so I'll click on E. You'll get an option of export. If you want to go back, you can click on escape. You'll go to the option back. You want to close this, you can click on C. Let's again press Alt button. Let's say you want to apply the conditional formatting. First option is you use your mouse. But to increase the productivity, you need to learn the shortcuts. Let's see how you can reach the conditional formatting. Since this is in home tab, we need to enable the home tab. So I'll click the H. Now we need to see the key from where we can access the function. So you can see for conditional formatting, you need to press the L key. Now in the conditional formatting, let's say we want to create a new rule. So we need to press N. Now imagine this, opening the conditional formatting through mouse and going to the new rule and clicking Alt H L N. It seems very simpler and easier. Let's try another thing. I'll again click the Alt button. Let's say we want to import this data into a Power Query. For that we need to go to the Data tab. I'll click on A. Now we have option from Table and Range. Then we need to press PT. My data is in a range. So it will convert range into table to import the data into Power Query. Once you remember the shortcut, it's very easier to access the ribbon commands. I'll click on Alt. This time we want to create a pivot table. For that, we need to go to the N. We have an option of a V. We need to click on a V to access the pivot table. If we have a table, then we need to click on T. So now you can access the ribbon through a keyboard. Let's try one more example. I'll again press Alt. Let's say we want to go to the Formulas tab. So I'll click on M, then N. So we wanted to go to the name manager. So we clicked Alt M N. Let's implement that by mouse. I'll go to the home section. I need to go to the Formulas tab and click on name manager. Similarly, if I use my keyword shortcuts, Alt M N, you can see the speed. That's how you can improve the productivity while doing work in Excel. Let's say you want to access the shortcuts, which I have my ribbon commands. So for that, you need to again click to Alt. How you can use your shortcut, that you need to define it. Let's say my sixth option, which is email option. Let's say I want to share this Excel file in an email. What you will do, you'll save the file and then again open the Outlook and attach the file. I have my shortcuts ready. I just need to click Alt and then 6. And my Excel file is attached in an Outlook email so that I can send the email. You can set the Excel function which you are doing on a daily basis to improve the productivity. That's it for the video. That's how you can access ribbon command through keyboard and increase the productivity while doing work in Excel.